lovely ladies, here we are again. We're doing a garden talk. Welcome to the Garden of Eden. Well, you know, it's been my oasis all summer, and still, of course, summer is not ending yet. But a lot of you lovelies have asked me, when am I going to do the garden talk? Well, today's the day. So come in. Charlie, where are you? There you go, buddy. Okay. I have to show you my gorgeous ginkgo tree that I cannot stop talking about. If for you lovelies who've watched my previous garden show, you know that I have this gorgeous ginkgo tree that was very small when I moved in 22 years ago. I bought this house, and now it's gorgeous. I had to cut some branches because we couldn't get through the gate. I have a laneway in the back, and we all use it quite often, so it was in the way, so I had to snip a few branches. I did a lot of changes this year. I took out my lawn on both sides. I'll show you when we walk a little further. Sorry for this, I'm having renovations done in my bathroom. This is the vanity, and it's very heavy, and we need 3 guys to carry it, and the 3 guys have not been available, so this shouldn't be here. But my little sitting area, and oh yes, during COVID I planted an oak tree. Here it is, a gorgeous oak tree, and because my Manitoba maple is it's on its last legs, unfortunately. It's a gorgeous tree, it gives me a lot of shade, but as you all know, gardeners, it's a soft wood, and the tree is not that old, but branches fall when there's a storm. Always branches come off. I have to get the arborist in once in a while to chop. Once we have to take it down permanently, hopefully the oak tree has grown a little taller and will provide us with a shade. So that is the big change, the oak tree. And then I had 2 patches of lawn here on either side, which always gave me lots of problems. I had to fertilize, I had to seed, because they're under the trees, and it was always, I was never happy. So the grass was taken out, and I planted ground cover. Oh my God, it was a lot of work, but I'm so happy with it because it's filling in, as you can see, it's filling in beautifully. I have ground cover. This is a form of ivy, and I've been told that it really spreads, and it's doing really well. I'm amazed. This is the cutest little rosemary tree. I absolutely love it, and so it will grow taller, and you keep snipping at the bottom, and then of course you can use the herbs. I'm excited about it. I did a little pussy willow tree here, which is very cute. I have a big one over there, which, oh my God, I have to snip all the time because everything is growing like a weed. And yeah, you have to really keep on top of it, otherwise it goes really wild. So I planted a lot of new hydrangeas here. This red one I'm so excited about the color. It's absolutely gorgeous. 2 new ones that haven't bloomed yet on the either side of the pink one, but they will bloom next year for sure. This one has grown really big. It's like, as you can see, and I'm sure you gardeners agree with me, the garden is really starting to think of shutting down. And I can really feel it in the morning because it's dewy and it's cool, and it's not anymore at its height, but it gave me so much pleasure this summer. Charlie's eating something. He's really perusing all the all the new plants. Anyway, what else is new? My astilbes did fantastic. I planted a few more coral bells because they are one of my favorites. I love them, and they're all blooming now with the big blonde stalks. And my azalea is absolutely gorgeous. It bloomed beautifully. Unfortunately, it doesn't bloom that long. So let's go and sit on the couch, and I can tell you a little bit more about what happened in the garden. So this is where I spend a lot of my time. I drink my coffee here in the morning. I entertain a lot of people. We sit and I have lights in the back all strung around the fence. I have lights in my umbrella. It's really my little piece of heaven. And I live right downtown. And all you hear really is birds and my water feature. And yeah, I'm really fortunate to have this. I have to tell you one thing that I'm going to stop doing, and that is to grow dahlias. I find the dahlias, and I've talked to other gardeners, and they say this summer was not good for dahlias, so maybe that's it. I find it a lot of work, right? You have to dig up the bulbs, let them die out, chop them, let them die off, chop them, dig up the bulbs, clean, put them in peat moss, store them in a cool place, and then in the spring bring them out, plant them. I planted them in the spring at the time when I shoot, and they're just starting to bloom now, very small blooms, and I'm leaving for the month of September, so I will have any joy from them. I'm sad to say it because I love dahlias in the vase, they're gorgeous, but it's too much work. It's been an amazing summer. I've enjoyed the weather. It's been too hot, only a few days to sit out. Other than that, every day I was out. And yeah, I hope you ladies, all you lovelies, have had a fantastic summer and are still enjoying it, of course. But we thought before the garden is starting to shut down, we should do this garden talk because a lot of you have asked about it. Bean is not here. Bean is at the Rogers Cup watching tennis right now, and good for her. She's having a great time. She sent me lots of pictures, and so I'm doing it solo with Charlie. And Charlie loves the garden too. This is his favorite spot. He can watch the squirrels run around the fence, and then he runs out barking at them. It's always the same story, but it's fun to watch. Ladies, I hope you like this garden talk, and send me what you are doing with your garden or how you've experienced it. How are your dahlias? Okay, keep on smiling, and we'll talk to you next time. Thank you, ladies, for watching this segment. I hope you got inspired and you got some style tips. And what do we say again?
Please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can reach our content to more beautiful women.
Like you.
Have a great day.
Keep smiling.